Line is a point that is set in motion. Line is created by movement and is capable of infinite variety. Lines are made with minimal effort, but they are able to express all sorts of moods and feelings. Lines have been described as being nervous, angry, happy, free, quiet, excited, calm, and graceful. Line is important to the artist because it can describe shape. And by shape, we recognize objects. When line is the main element of an image, the result is called a drawing. And there are two types of drawings: contour and gesture. For this lesson, we will be focusing on contour drawings. Here's an example of the contour drawing technique. This is what you will be doing later, so pay attention. The point of contour drawing is to look at the object more often than you look at your paper. The benefit of contour drawing is that it causes you to pay close attention to your object. That way you'll be able to capture more detail. When creating the drawing, draw slowly and carefully. Make each line deliberate and intentional because you will not be allowed to erase. Instead of shading darker areas, create thicker lines instead by pressing harder with your pencil. The most obvious lines in the object are the lines that stand out the most. Those lines should be defined by the darker lines. Darker lines create emphasis and draw attention to that particular area. The internal lines, like the ones being drawn in the wrist and in the palm, are to be lighter. That way they attract less attention from the contours of the hand. Your task for this lesson is to do 3 contour drawings of your hand. Each drawing should be of your hand in a different position. Here are examples of different hand positions that you can use. Don't forget to take your time. These drawings shouldn't take too long, but don't rush. A few things to remember while you're doing your drawing is to draw slowly and deliberately. Only use line, no shading. Modify the thickness of line. Darker lines are for major lines or the contours of the hand, and lighter lines are for soft implied edges or the internal lines of the hand, like in the palm or the wrist. Remember, there is no erasing. Learn from your mistakes and enjoy your successes. Good luck.